During the process, in order to facilitate the task, the program will generate a form containing detailed information of each match, including the match-up, time, and table, and so on. Another generated form is section of working schedule. This program has a specialty. It consumes that every player can play through the first match to the last match of championship and arranges all the matches of the player on one sheet. That is, a record of every match a player has played from the first match to winning the first place. Now, this sheet is presented here. Finally, the program will ask whether to print all the score sheet. If so, print all. If not, the referee can choose not to print after the draw. If it is a real official competition, the referee can choose to print all. Here we just choose no, because there are over 100 matches in group matches. We don't want to print them all. Finish the illustrating print score sheet. The next step is to input score sheet. First, fill in the match ID number. For example, type in number 10 in the column for match ID. The program will automatically present names of the players, match time, and table of this match. To input the score, only needs to type in the lower score of each finished game. For instance, Chinese Taipei versus Macau, China. First game, 11-9, Taipei win. Just need to input 9 on the side of Macau. The second game, 13-11, Taipei win. Likewise, input 11 on the side of Macau. The same for the third game. Input 6 on the side of Macau. Thus, the result of match number 10 is completed. Click Continue to input the result of the next match, which the program is set to follow the sequence of match ID, match number 11 in this example. Of course, you have the freedom to input score of certain match at any time. This is the process of input score sheet. If all results of all score sheets are input, click here. You can choose to print the result of match number 10, or even all the score sheets according to the certain demand. After this is done, the following step is ranking.
Before running the 11th function of this program, we can see that after all the matches results are input, the points of each player in the group are calculated, but the ranking is still blank. In order to know all the ranking details, we use the 11th step. Choose F3 and let the program run. Okay, when you open the sheet of F3 again, now you can find that all rankings of F3 are calculated here. Therefore, after a match finishes, the referee must check the results of the score sheet. Make sure the results to be input are correct, avoiding mistakes in ranking calculation by the program. Having completed the 11th function, automatic ranking, the referee can check if all the ranking are right, and then conduct the draw for a second stage. Click Final Draw here. Take F3 as an example. Choose F3 in the list. Then, we have two choices: draw by computer and draw manually. We choose draw by computer here. Accepting the draw. After the draw is completed, we need to check the results of the draw. Find the knockout stage results of SF4 here, and you can check the results here and know all the matchups of SF4. Checking completed, no errors. Then, we need to input all the match results, then progress to the final step. This is to click the tool on the front page. Then, you can have the match report with all the results. Open the toolbox, click Make Result Book, and wait for its data processing to be finished, including the results of group match, knockout matches. To this step, we have run through all the steps of Dr. Wu program. We can see the result book in the document named Result. Okay, we open the result book. It contains several parts. Results of each group of each event. For instance, SF4. Initially, SF4 has 3 groups. Here are the results of each group. Then, results of knockout stage. Likewise, results of all events are recorded here. In addition, other significant jobs are done by the program. The total matches of this competition are arranged here one by one with match information. For example, women's 1 to 2. Totally 8 matches are conducted. We can check the matchup of each match, the scores of each game, and so on. Second, players' rankings from the first place to the fourth place of each event are listed here with players' information such as player number, association, and player name. You can scan the rankings of Class 1, Class 2, Class 3, and Class 4 on the screen now. This makes it convenient and easy for the awarding ceremony. The last form is the ranking results of all events arranged in vertical alignment, which makes it easy for you to conduct various data process. That completes the demonstration of Dr. Wu program.